Hey, Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and I'm here with Mr. Bunch in Caryville, Tennessee, just outside of Rocky Top. And he had us do his crawl space encapsulation, and we wound up doing quite a bit of work down there. So tell us about that, Mr. Bunch.
We had a lot of water problems. They came in and cleaned everything out underneath the house, put in a sump pump, and done the whole encapsulation, and it looks great.
Well, thank you,
Done
sir.
a good job, and they were really professional, and their workers was great.
Great, and we also had a door issue. We had to rebuild a door, right?
Rebuild the door, replace the door.
You like the door?
Great.
Great.
Looks good.
Very good. Well, I appreciate this video testimonial, and of course the relationship doesn't stop here. We're going to keep in touch and service the things if you want us to do that. So thanks again for your business, sir.
Thank you.
All right. See you later.
Thanks. Bye.